Hi, I'm Roman Kaufman and I'm here at Concession Nation picking up unit number 2. I'm with Auntie Ruth Doughnuts. We have been in business now for 10 years. Business is going very well and we are very excited about what's happening in our business. Our home base is Chuckey, Tennessee. That is our commissary. We do not sell any donuts or anything out of that commissary. That's only the commissary location. Yes, we have been in business now for 10 years and we're excited with what is happening. Our family is made up of Ruth and myself. The business name is Auntie Ruth, and we have 3 daughters. One is married and living in Oregon, and she is our accountant and does all our scheduling. And the other 2 daughters, the youngest is still in high school. She's 16, and Jolene, the middle girl, is working full-time in the business. So we are very happy to have a family business that is able to serve you. So stop by one of our locations and see us if you would. On average, we do about 5,000 donuts per week. That would be the average throughout the year. Of course, on festival days, we do a lot more than normal basis. As I mentioned before, I'm here at Concession Nation, picking up my 2nd unit that they have done for me. And I'm very happy, very excited with their work. They do very good work, and they are a A1 rated company, in my opinion. So if you are needing a concession trailer, I would certainly recommend Concession Nation, Deerfield Beach, Florida.